Come on, guys, let's not get silver crossing. That alarm's messed up.
Saturday, 28th of May 2016. This is for our 1450 2 Romeo 94 Aviva Rail North service from Hull to York.
That was funny.
What was?
The alarm.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's what happens when you don't come over and listen under the alarm there, isn't it?
Mm.
A good thing that thing wasn't touch. The good thing it's in a touch sensitive barrier.
Mm. Yeah, otherwise it would have hangmaned. Yeah, that alarm doesn't sound to work. I didn't hear it. And that alarm was pointing directly at it. And because that alarm didn't seem to work, I mainly heard that one.
Mm-hmm.
Did you hear how it started off normal, like like that? It kind of went normal, then skipped, and then went into that sequence. What?
I know I've got it when I do that.
Mm.
And when I have my phone in my pocket a tiny bit like that, I know I've got it.
This kind of reminds me of a crossing where the barriers aren't properly level. See, that is about iPad height for BCD. Or maybe about here. I don't know.
Hold my iPad.
Huh?
I hold my iPad when I'm doing it.
Do you want to do it?
Look, why is it taped a screw in there? It looks like it will fall out if you untaped it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that was.
Joe, do you want to do a camera swap?
No.
Oh. You said we would do...
I forgot about that, but I'm not giving you my iPad as I filmed all day on this. It'll be a hassle for me.
Come on.
Next trip we'll do it.
It will only be for one video, I promise.
No, I don't. My iPad.
Fine. Basically,
I'll let you film my iPad, okay?
What a camera swap is where
I know what a camera swap is. I film on yours and I film on that, you film on this.
Yeah, and then basically.
No, I'm not letting you film on my iPad today.
And then basically and then you upload each other's videos to each other's channels. So then the video I would have taken on that would have gone on your channel, and then this video would have gone on yours.
Here she is.
Here she is. We got.
I knew York was that way. 158
158 910. 158 910 to yours, and told you York was that way. There it goes.
Please go up. No, we're staying.
Yeah. Well, at least the other alarm didn't work.
Didn't.
I didn't hear it at all. I only heard that one freak out. Thorpe gates. That is really there. If you were to go to another level crossing like that,
do you reckon that Thorpe Hall has it?
What?
Do you reckon Thorpe Hall has it?
I don't think it does.
Thorpe Hall.
This string's nice and tight.
Home Thorpe, what's that now?
Let's home load.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that string's tight-ish.
I really thought that was really funny. I said it at home. Because Paul said let's load the sat nav and let's home load the sat nav. I don't call it comedy.
Or jokes, whatever. That would be a good piece of it. What? Unless we have a glitch and it's just stuck down. Really?
Here she is.
Here she is.
We've got 185125.
185125.
185125.
185125. Did you see that track?
What?
Oh, good.
Don't say we're triple stone as well.
I'm on you. Go up. Meh. Look, that car's pretty tight as well. I wanted to get a video on the other side to show you guys a non-functional alarm. Yeah, have you noticed how the skirt's bent, Joe? Bent inwards. Yeah, you can tell these barriers are old, can't you? Yeah. the telephone. Hey, Joe, would we miss Sherbet and Elmer if we did another one? So, what?
Last week we finished at 5 o'clock, didn't we? It's only 2 o'clock.
Spider web. Get out of my life. Really? It's like literally only 2 o'clock. No, there's not there. Reindeers, reindeers. Look at how look, you can't twist the card. Oh, it's a freighter!
Is it?
Yeah. Oh. No, it's a 142.
Alright then.
Thought it was a freighter. Come on. Give my old eyes a rest. No, I thought it was a freighter, Joe. It's not. It's a 142. 142,009, and up they go, obviously. Come on, we can't quadruple stare. This is okay.
We're not quadruple staying, are we?
Yeah, I think we are. Bloody hell. Freaking hate this crossing. Read that. Pause it if you want to read it. I thought iPods and iOS and I were meant to do this. Yes, there you go. Millage. Some people have called it millage before. Okay, pause it if you want to read it sideways. Whoa! That SPX plate's coming off. Look at that. Thames Gateway Park. Joe, what does it say on yours? Does it say Thames Gateway Park? Does that barrier over there say Thames Gateway Park?
Does it say what?
Thames Gateway Park.
On what?
On the barrier label.
Yes, it does.
These aren't very easy to get used to us. Oh, look at the sign though. It's really wonky. Yeah, so we miss a proper broken alarm that doesn't work. And 2 barriers that bang. These ones don't bang, they bang free. Screw these 2 barriers on this side. Proper. Looks like someone's about to turn around.
Come on your side, just in case I don't get back over.
Oh, double yellow over there. It's behind the cyclist's head. Yeah, look, the thing is really loose and wobbly. Reindeers aren't reindeers. Yeah, Joe, do you think we would be able to catch another train here if it goes up?
Yes.
Good.
If this train ever flipping comes though.
Berwick stayed
It's
on.
only 10 minutes.
I was literally just about to say Berwick stayed on for 10 minutes. Wait, this one stayed on for 10 minutes. Berwick stayed on for 20 minutes once.
The signal's
got
on double amber over there.
double yellow.
Whatever.
They'd say amber in front of it. Network rail person like say the signal's amber.
What they do?
No, it's yellow. If you want to work for Network Rail and be a train driver, you need to say yellow. I'm not even joking, you would need to say yellow.
It's going to be a painful road, this is.
You can just trim it into little sections, you know.
I'll just upload 2 parts if it goes over 15 minutes.
Holy
What
Christ.
the hell is it? It could have gone up.
Yeah, but it's an OD crossing. If the sensors detect it, maybe some. Are you sure there's any other trains?
There is, yes.
Do you want me to call the signalman?
No.
No, the barrier's been down for 10 minutes.
So? But there's a train coming, I know there.
Look, there's no point in flipping being down for 10 minutes. It could have gone up and straight back down. And then we could have got, like, what, 5 videos by now, Joe? Look at all the traffic. If this...
Here she is. We've got 158,905.
158,905. Do not stay down, please. Do not stay down.
So you're 15 o'clock, 11 more than a river on the and they go.
Finally!